Load your family into the 2015 Jeep Patriot. With just over 30,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Jeep infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as an outside temperature display, front fog lights, a roof rack, and much more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Jeep's rigorous certification process. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.